circular motion. So as the name itself implies, the speed remains, speed keeps changing. Right. So speed is not a constant, it keeps changing. So whenever speed changes, there is an acceleration. So the corresponding acceleration is known as tangential acceleration. So the acceleration resulting because of change in speed is known as tangential acceleration. So tangential acceleration is, I'll denote it by AT, T for tangential. It will be simply dv by dt. Here just v I have taken. Without arrow means magnitude of velocity, and magnitude would mean speed. It is the rate of change of speed. Or you can also write like this: d by dt of modulus of velocity, like this. If you are a simple person, you will use this. If you are a stylistic person, you will use this. Both are same, by the way. Okay? By the way, Mahatma Gandhi told, greatness lies in simplicity. So we will all follow this Gandhi principle, Gandhian principle. Okay? Both are same. Right. And since it is already going along a circle, all these things will remain applicable here also. Velocity keeps changing in direction also. And if velocity keeps changing in direction, there will be a special type of acceleration which is known as centripetal acceleration. So besides having tangential acceleration, it is also having a centripetal acceleration. So two types of accelerations are there, because velocity is changing both in direction as well as magnitude. So the change in velocity as far as direction is concerned, you have this. And the change of velocity as far as its magnitude is concerned, you have that. Tangential, yes. So that means, see, try to understand. Suppose this is a circular path along which it is going. At any instant, if I draw a, see, this is the direction of velocity, I have drawn the tangent, assuming that the speed is increasing. So tangential acceleration will be like this. Assuming speed is increasing. If speed is reducing, tangential acceleration will be opposite to velocity. That we already know in one-dimensional motion we have studied. When speed increases, the acceleration is in the direction of velocity. When speed reduces, the acceleration is opposite to the direction of velocity. And when acceleration is opposite to the direction of velocity, we call it as retardation or deceleration. Then there is another kind of acceleration which is known as centripetal acceleration or radial acceleration towards the center. So that means you have two vectors here. Okay? Two acceleration vectors are there. So the resultant will be along this direction. The net acceleration as per parallelogram law of vectors. Parallelogram law of vectors are used. One acceleration component is towards radius, the other acceleration component is towards the tangent. Resultant is like this. So let us say that the resultant acceleration makes an angle theta with the radius. It makes an angle theta with the radius. So I can write tan theta as perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is what? Perpendicular is tangential acceleration. Base, what is base? Base is centripetal acceleration. By the way, tangential acceleration is dv by dt. Is it? And centripetal acceleration is v square by. So this will be the resultant acceleration in this direction. Okay? They are of course independent of each other, because as far as tangential acceleration is concerned, in what way the speed is changing, we can't predict. Speed can change in any manner. So tangential acceleration is different aspect. As far as direction is changing, that is different aspect. It's going along a circle. So centripetal acceleration and tangential acceleration are independent of each other. They are not interlinked with each other. Okay? So you have net acceleration. Is that clear? We'll solve a few problems to understand this. Okay, close that. Copy this and then we'll